He say I'm happy you called, what you been up to lately? I said the reason.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome to my garage. Today I'm going to show you guys how to solder in 2023.
I'm sick of having two minds. I'm making my mind and it's never mine. I'm going for what I'm going for. Just know all things do take time.
All right, check this out. So you got your fittings, you got your 90s here. We also have a 1-inch pipe, 1/2-inch pipe, and 3/4 pipe. You have your sandcloth, solder, flux, torch, reamer. I lost my reamer, don't know what happened to it, just bought it, and somehow it just escaped me. So I will be using my Milwaukee knife. So first we'll start with the basic. This is the easiest one to solder, I believe, the horizontal pipe. So 3/4 pipe, I'm gonna apply my flux to it. Oh yeah. 3/4 90, right here, all right. Sandcloth, I'm gonna apply some of that. I got the torch, I got the solder, I'm ready to go. All right, wiping it down. Wiping it down, clean, all right. I had sloppy solder when I first began, and after that, it just kind of got natural where it always looked like, you know, kind of clean. I always want my pipes to look clean. That's the easy one, that's horizontal. I feel like that's like the easier, if you're gonna learn it and you want it to look clean, that's like the basic way to learn it. Now this is the one most people have trouble with. It's the vertical pipe. I ream my pipe, I flux it. Some people don't like using sandcloth at their newer fittings, but like I said, I just get into the habit of it and I never forget to do it. 1-inch fitting. Apply it to the 1-inch pipe. Most of my apprentices, when they are doing vertical pipe, it never fails, it always drips down. And I'll show you why. Okay, so that looks pretty good all the way around. I don't like this part, I'll hit it again. All right, here's why most people mess up when it comes to this and have it dripping. They keep the flame on it too long. Most people keep the flame like this. And do you see that bubble? You see that? Look at that. Now it starts to drip. I keep the flame up here and I know that the solder attracts to the flux. The 1/2-inch, sand your pipe. Usually you'll get a reaming tool. I like the Milwaukee reaming tool. I'll put it in the description so that you guys can check that out. When you're doing these water piping, you're constantly using your reamer, okay? These are like the main things you're using over and over and over. And if you get into that order of sandclothing, reaming, fluxing, solder, then you'll never miss that. All right, so for the last one, 1/2 inch. Let's do it clean, all right? Here we go. Heat it up, all sides. Okay, this is 1/2 inch, so it'll go fast. All right, here we go. Not yet. Not yet. All right. Then I like to see it. I roll it over when it's convenient to do so. Now, if you look at it closely, it's shining right now. When it is dry and it hardens up, it's going to turn to a grayish color right before your eyes. Let's see if it does it. Okay, I just seen it do it. You guys see it do it? I just saw it. That means when I wipe it, it shouldn't smear everywhere. Let's see if I saw it. Whoo! I don't like that, but whoo, that's all right. Make sure you guys don't touch it. It's hot, super hot. Usually what I do, once it cools down, I'll have my water bottle next to me and I'll throw some water on there just to cool it down. All right, and that's how you solder pipe. We had the 3/4, we had the 1 inch, we had the 3/4 horizontal, we had the 1 inch vertical, and then we had the 1/2 inch horizontal, all right? You guys seen it, it is possible not to have these ugly leaks on your stuff. You know, a lot of people say it doesn't matter because it's going to be in a wall. Take pride in your work, take pride in what you do. It doesn't matter if it's going to be covered up. Like, you know what I'm saying? And for me personally, I love it when everything is straight up and down, when everything is symmetrical and it looks very clean. If it's our only job, let's do it well. You guys, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys learned something from this. I hope you guys have clean solder joints. Send me pictures of y'all solder joints. You know what I'm saying? I'm pretty sure, I know some of y'all could probably do it better than me. That's all right. I want to see it. Send me those pictures and let me know. Maybe I can learn something from y'all. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.
Me and my God always conversating. He say I'm happy you call, what you been up to lately. I said the reason I called, I'm at war with Satan, and I'ma need your help to get through this. Lord, please eradicate it. Me and my God always conversating. He say I'm happy you call, what you been up to lately. I said the reason I called, I'm at war with Satan, and I'ma need your help to get through this. Lord, please. Me and my God always conversating. He say I'm happy you call, what you been up to lately. I said the reason I called, I'm at war with Satan, and I'ma need your help to get through this. Lord, please eradicate it. Me and my God always conversating. He say I'm happy you call, what you been up to lately. I said the reason I called, I'm at war with Satan, and I'ma need your help to get through this. Lord, please eradicate it. And I'm sick of having two minds. I'm making my mind and it's never mine. I'm going for what I'm going for. Just know all things do take time.